Hi guys, so we're gonna pick up from yesterday, okay? I'm gonna reread a few pages because today I want us to focus on how plants grow and what they're doing, okay? So this one says, a plant grows. Watering a garden helps it grow. Remember we talked about how second graders at our school are allowed to water their garden, and we visited the garden a whole bunch of times so that you guys could see how the plants were improving. So we're gonna focus on what plants need for them to grow, right? So just like you, because you guys also need food and water, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. Remember, the soil is the top layer of the earth or the dirt, and that's where it's growing from, okay? The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. So the more the middle of the tree gets thicker, just like the center of our bodies, the more leaves and branches can grow, right? Okay. So what do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. They need soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. So here are the roots down here underneath the ground, and we can't see this because it's underneath the dirt, right? So the roots are soaking up some water and some food. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. So up here, right? So we have sunlight coming in and then we have air coming in for the leaves up here. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. So the bigger the plant gets, the more space it's going to need, right? So everything needs to be a little bit spaced out. So we have our roots down here, right? So water and food come down here. We have our soil. The top layer of the dirt is where the first seed grows from, and then it grows down. We have sunlight and air coming into the leaves to also help it grow. All right, 6 fun facts about plants. So let's do this first one. This palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. 4th graders are pretty big, right guys? It's the heaviest seed in the world. Wow, that's huge. That's a really big plant. All right, 2, scrub a dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Do you guys think you can go to your shampoo or your soap and look at the label and see what kind of plants are in yours? Number 3, the paper from this book was made from trees. So just like the paper from the journals I gave you, the color paper we use in class for the art center, that's made from trees. Okay, number 4, the seeds are all in the middle of the sunflower. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds in this one sunflower. That's a lot. All right, 5. Bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in one day. So does anyone have a little sister or brother at home? That's how tall that plant grows every single day. That's huge. All right, 6. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. So the Statue of Liberty is already pretty big. This is just a small picture of it. In real life, it's a lot bigger. Remember we talked about the redwood trees? And we showed pictures about how kids were trying to hug them and they couldn't fit their arms around the trees? These trees grow bigger than the Statue of Liberty. All right, so flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. I bet you guys could go outside and you can find a couple of trees that grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. So this is a bud. The bud slowly opens, petals gently unfold. So when they open, it's the center of the flower, right? Surprise, it's a flower. Can you guys go in your backyard and see if you can find any buds or any of them gently opening to show that it's a flower inside? I think that would be pretty cool. All right, guys, we're going to stop there for today. So I want you to really focus on how plants are growing. Remember, we talked about how they need sunlight and air for the leaves, and they need food and water down here for the roots, and they need to be in soil to be able to grow big. So why don't you guys get out your writing journals and you guys can show me some different sentences about how plants grow. I'll leave this up right here so you guys can pause the video and you can use these words in your sentences, okay? So soil, remember the top layer of the dirt, water and food, sunlight, air, and space, because I need space to grow really big, right? So pause the video right here, and then you guys can write me some sentences about what you guys learned about how plants grow, okay? See you tomorrow. Bye.